Welcome, my dear students, to the new chapter Work, Energy and Power. In this module, we will be dealing about the scalar product of vectors. Scalar product is also known as dot product. We have already studied that vectors are represented by putting an arrow above the vector. So vector A dot vector B, or the scalar product of A and B, which is read as A dot B, is given by modulus or magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos phi, where phi is the angle between vectors A and B. In other words, A dot B is also equivalent to AX BX plus AY BY, which we will be discussing later. From the definition of dot product or scalar product, unit vector I dot I will be equivalent to J dot J is equivalent to K dot K is equivalent to 1. It is because the angle between vector I and vector I, or vector J and vector J, or vector K and vector K is equivalent to 0 and cos 0 is equivalent to 1. And we are familiar of the fact that modulus of I is equivalent to modulus of J is equivalent to modulus of K is equivalent to 1. Similarly, I dot J is equivalent to J dot I is equivalent to I dot K is equivalent to K dot I is equivalent to J dot K is equivalent to K dot J, which is equal to 0. It is because the angle between any two vectors I and J, or I and K, or J and K, or J and I, or K and I, or K and J will be 90 degrees and cos 90 is equivalent to 0. So we have discussed that the dot product or scalar product A dot B is equivalent to modulus of vector A into modulus of vector B into cos of angle between vectors A and B. Suppose if vector A and vector B are given in the form AXI plus AYJ plus AZK, and vector B is equivalent to BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, then A dot B will be equivalent to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ, since all other dot products other than I dot I, J dot J and K dot A becomes 0. Suppose if instead of vector B we are having vector A itself, then vector A dot vector A will be equivalent to AX into AX plus AY into AY plus AZ into AZ, which will be equivalent to A square. Suppose if vector V is of the form A1I plus B1J and vector W is of the form A2I plus B2J, then as we had discussed earlier, V dot W will be A1 A2 plus B1 B2. As an example, if you are taking V is equivalent to minus 2I plus 5J and vector W is equivalent to 4I plus J, then V dot W will be minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 1, which is equivalent to minus 8 plus 5, which is minus 3. These are some of the properties of dot product of vectors. Vector A dot vector B is equivalent to vector B dot vector A. next identity is vector A dot vector B plus vector C will be equivalent to vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C. Similarly, any constant m into vector A dot vector B will be equivalent to m into vector A dot vector B, or vector A dot m into vector B, or vector A dot vector B into m. Hope you might have understood about the dot product of vectors. In this chapter, we will be dealing with the dot product of certain physical quantities. Thank you, dear children.